Hey guys, how are you all? So in this video today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Google Analytics account and how to link it to your Google Blogger account. So let's get started. First go to Google Analytics through analytics.google.com. I have given you the link in the description, so you can just click on this and it will take you to the official website of Google Analytics. So it will look like this. So click on the setup for free. So once you click on this, it will ask you for the account name. So give your account name, like I'm going to give yes Kevin for this. So this is a mandatory field, so you have to fill this. After filling this, just click on next. So it will ask you whether you are going to track the statistics of your website or app, or both app or website. So you can just go ahead and click on the web and click next. So here it will ask for you the website name and your website URL and the what type of your website is this and the time zone as well. So I'm going to type here website name, yes Kevin, and the same here you have to select whether your blog or site is secure or non-secure. So here my site is secure, so I'm going to select HTTPS for this and just type your website URL. So I have input my blog URL, so you have to select the type of your website here now. So make sure that you are selecting the most relevant type here. So I'm going to select science here. So also based on your country you have to select your country. So I'm in India, so I'm going to select India here. So the time zone will be automatically updated. Then click on create. So your Google Analytics account will be created. Before that you have to accept the terms and conditions. Before that you have to select your country and just click on accept, and once more here click on I accept. So your Google Analytics account will be created. So you can just skip this. So it automatically take you to this tracking page. So here you can see the tracking ID and the tracking code. So if you are going to link your Google Analytics account to your Blogger account, so the tracking ID is far enough. So you can just select and copy the tracking ID here and go to the Google Blogger account through blogger.com. So it will take you to this page and navigate to settings option. Here you can see an option called other. So come down. Here you will see Google Analytics option. Here it will ask you for the ID that you have created now. So I'm just going to input the ID here. So this is done. You can just go ahead and save settings. So now the Google Analytics account has been linked to your Google Blogger account. So here you can go ahead once the account is linked, you can just go to your Blogger account and just open your blog from view blog. So it will take you to the blog. So you are currently visiting this website, so the active users should be one in the Google Analytics. Let's check it now. Go to Google Analytics and click on the home. See, if you see here, it will show you the active users. That's all about the linking of Google Analytics to your Google Blogger account. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.